Welcome to the campaign manager. I am Bosoka. Today, I'm coming to update my viewers on the progress of the seed data nest 5 days ago. So this is basically my nesting room. I mean, this one prevents sun from directly hot coming onto the nest seed, and it also keep them in a dark kind of room, because normally seed needs dark places to hot to germinate faster. So this one give me that kind of
That is growing, it's growing. Is it like this one, the cucumbers come long than the cabbage?
As you can see, so this is the cabbage. As you can see, almost all has germinated. I mean, except this, which I know will come maybe I mean by 2-3 days time it should germinate, because I think the soil was too much on it, so I have to use something to loosen the soil small for these three. So you can see that after loosening the soil, this one has started coming. So these ones too will come. You can see this one too is coming. So I'm getting almost 100% germination because of the seed. The tomato takes some time, so you see that they are coming one. You can see these are all tomatoes. You can see them, I mean, coming. For cucumber doesn't take that long, so you can see all my cucumbers within 5 days. You can see how nicely they've germinated, and by tomorrow I'll remove them from their room and then start exposing them to the sun, because they need sunlight to start to grow well and get stronger. So I'll remove them and then expose them to the sun. These ones are also tomatoes. They are yet to germinate, and this is because I've used the normal soil that we use for planting to nest them. I'm using it to test something. So these are all tomatoes, but they are yet to germinate. And this is pepper. Pepper normally takes it takes a longer time, around sometimes 10 to 15 days maximum to start germinating. So you can see that the pepper, this is pepper. So you can see the two pepper are yet to start germinating, because it takes a longer time for it to germinate. So basically, I'm very happy with the progress so far. This is what I want to dash to some few friends of mine to also start their small backyard garden.
Yes. Then how about this one?
They are a bit harder, so
Hey, it's good.